Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. From our readings today, we wished to ask these questions. Why would God reprimand His people? Bakit kailangan din naman tayong ayusin ng Diyos o inaayos ng Diyos ang kanyang bayan mula noon at hanggang ngayon? Why would Jesus cast out a bad spirit from a person and even go around to surrounding villages, even to the most deserted place, so as to do His part and mission? Well, we can all answer that it is because of responsibility, that it is part of the plan of God, that it is part of maybe the daily checklist of the Lord. How will He be a God? How will He be a brother to His people? But at the core of the Lord, even reprimanding His people, and Jesus doing His mission to free someone from evil, to go around and do His mission, is but a single and yet solid why or reason Jesus would do such things until now. Saint Matthew in our Gospel clearly pointed out a single act that Jesus did. At the sight of the crowds, His heart was moved with pity for them. Ayun pala ang dahilan. Hindi lang dahil ito ay gawain, hindi lang ito ay plano, hindi lang ito ay dapat gawin, kundi dahil sa malasakit at totoong pag-ibig. Why would the Lord reprimand? Why would Jesus do His mission? At the heart of it is a heart moved with pity for them. It was not only a pity because they were kawawa. Hindi lang dahil nakita ni Jesus na nakulangan, na nawawalang mga tupa ito. Pero po ito yung pagmamalasakit na tila nakakagambala na hindi na siya tila makakain ng tama at talagang hindi na maiwasan yung nakikita niyang salarina at pagkakamali. And from that, a heart moved with pity, beautiful things came out. People were ordered, people were also there to experience how the Lord has moved them. And this is a beautiful channel and a beautiful grace for us, my dear brothers and sisters. Why would we fight for rights until now? Why would we work? Why would you work for families or for yourselves? Bakit ka tatayo at maninindigan sa isang pagkakamali? Bakit tayo magmamahal? Bakit tayo tutulong sa mga tao sa paligid natin? Oo po, dala ng ating responsibilidad, pero sana dahil sa malasakit at pag-ibig. Makita din po sana sa atin na ang dahilan ko bakit ako magpapagod, magbibigay ng aking pawis, pupunta sa mga tao upang tulungan at makisalumuha upang magbigay ng aking sarili, ay dahil sa malasakit. Hindi lang dahil ito ay trabaho. Hindi lang ito ay dahil kailangan nating gawin. Dahil sa malasakit. Bakit tayo tatayo upang manindigan sa katotohanan? Bakit tayo tatayo sa kabila ng madaming kasamaan? Dahil sa malasakit. Tinutulungan at tinuturuan po tayo ni Jesus magmahal, tumulong at umakay nang dahil sa pag-ibig at dahil sa malasakit. Not for any other else, but at the core of our hearts, why would we also order people? Why would we be with people? why we will be doing our own mission. At the center and at the core of our hearts is a heart moved with pity, a heart with love, and a heart with care.